Ethereum made some significant moves on its short-term trajectory to the upside, so let's discuss it on this daily chart. ETH/USD, thank you for watching. This is the line I am talking about, and that is for me very important at this moment. Downward trajectory that was broken here. Resistance, resistance, resistance. The downward move started in April, so although maybe we're living in this pattern, do you recognize this pattern? It's a bullish one that was forming for a month or two. Yes, I am talking about a falling wedge. You can see that the price moved inside of these boundaries, and here on the 28th of May broke out of it. Of course, what's our expectation? Higher prices as we broke bullish. But that pattern played out. And for now, all that you need to know are those points of resistances and this zone that was a resistance, and now worst case scenario could be support. I think this is the worst case scenario in the short term. Based on what is happening at this moment and this bounce of yesterday, I think we should respect this part of upside and expect a continuation, because why not? The chart is showing exactly this. In the case of a bigger pullback, I will give the level of 1,800, that's $100 below today's prices. So 1820. Why? Well, because of this. This level have proven the floor. Look how many candles have interaction with this level and how many are sitting on it. So if we get to that level one more time, why wouldn't we expect a continuation to the upside after we test it? It's also a possibility. Until we break 1,800, nothing is broken in our bull case scenario. And every time I'm not sure about the bias I should be taking, I just put my band of 13 moving and exponential moving average and get the right bias, which at the moment is what? You know what this means. Upward move from below, support here, bullish price action. As long as we are holding our ground above this level, with the median price of 1,865, we're absolutely good. No considering even of a bear case scenario. This band is holding us. What it was doing here, it was holding us down. This was a bearish price action. If you would ask me what is Ethereum doing here, I would say it's bearish. We don't know with conviction that it will go up. This kind of price action above it, retesting this as a support, could really give us a hint of something like this. So short-term narrative will remain bullish as long as that is the case. Follow this band, and if you're not sure what I am talking about, look at what the band provided us here. The band was a support for quite some time, and as long as it was a support, we were making higher highs, higher lows, going higher to that infamous $2,100. I will remain bullish, but with a pinch of salt. Let me show you something. I always like to reward you at the end of the video with RSI, so if you made it this far, let's discuss one thing that is happening on the charts. You see, this is 13 period RSI, and it's not overbought, it's not oversold, it definitely can go in either direction, right? If nothing else, in the short term, as with the price is making higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, maybe higher highs, the next station. The only concerning and hidden thing is that here the price made lower high than this one, but the RSI made a higher high than this one. This could be diverging in a hidden manner, and maybe this little retracement was all that's needed to level back that. It's nothing big, let me make this clear. Yes, Ethereum is bullish, but I'm telling you, I'm giving you every detail that I can. Maybe you will make something better out of it than me. This is a small, hidden, bearish divergence, because it's forming at the tops, right? I wouldn't give this kind of price behavior and diverging of its strength a big significance, but either way, I'm giving you something to think about. Always play the coin and toss it from two sides, because it definitely can fall on either direction. Ethereum is bullish in the short term. What's your next move? You can tell me about it and watch my next video. Roar!